Hi, my name is Crystal Chukwurah, and I'm in the Pre-Health Careers program here at Meredith College. And today I'll be sharing my research titled Diet and Women's Health. I conducted my research with the support of my faculty mentor, Dr. Caitlin Leonard, within the biology department. From premature aging to infertility to breast cancer to Alzheimer's disease, women face their fair share of health issues as they age. And my question is, as women age, can diet play a role in preventing these common diseases and health issues that arise over time? My objective in my research was to investigate the role diet can play in preventing common diseases women face as they age. My approach was to deep dive into the common conditions related to skin health, the reproductive system, breast cancer, and brain health. Starting with skin health, did you know studies have shown the connection between skin elements and issues within the gastrointestinal tract? And for women, this may commonly display itself as premature aging of the skin. But what items in our diet can help in combating these skin health challenges? Well, grab your shopping cart and pick up some red peppers and cilantro. Red peppers are high in vitamin C and have antioxidant properties that can slow the aging of skin. One research group assessed vitamin C intake in over 4,000 middle-aged women, and they found that women with higher vitamin C intakes had less wrinkled and dry skin. Another study looked at how the intake of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are found in red peppers influences skin hydration in young women. And they concluded that the foods rich in ingredients such as antioxidants, in particular fat-soluble vitamin A and E, were necessary to properly moisturize and lubricate the skin of young women. What about cilantro? Well, cilantro has anti-inflammatory properties and can rid toxins from the body, which can prevent skin conditions such as cellulite found in women. One research group conducted a chemical composition analysis. Basically, they investigated 10 essential oils, including cilantro, in comparison within the human skin cells. And they found that cilantro exerted anti-inflammatory and addition to tissue remodeling effects on skin. Reproductive system health. Did you know that about 12% of women aged 15 to 44 years have difficulty getting pregnant or carrying pregnancy to term? In women, infertility may be due to ovulation disorders, reproductive organ damage, or severe stress, but often overlooked is the role of the healthy female reproductive microbiome, which is the collection and composition of bacteria, good and sometimes bad, in relation to fertility. So then again, grab your shopping cart and pick up some yogurt and asparagus. Probiotics found in foods such as yogurts contain live and active species of good bacteria, and that can benefit the reproductive system. One research group assessed the microbiome composition of the female reproductive system for healthy women, and they found that the healthy women's microbiome, which is a collection of bacteria, frequently contain a bacteria species that was found commonly in yogurts. In addition to creating a healthy microbiome, diet can also be helpful in combating ovulation disorders that are common cause in infertility in women. One research group studied the effect of asparagus. Asparagus was looked at in stimulating follicular growth and ovulation and in anal ovulation in fertility, and then found that the asparagus family member to be effective in stimulating follicular growth and ovulation, which can improve fertility. Therefore, diets that include asparagus may help in infertility within women. Breast cancer. Did you know that there are over 3 million women with a history of breast cancer in America? The specific causes of breast cancer continue to be researched, but most researchers can agree that the causes can fall into a combination of genetics, random mutations, and the environment. Grab your shopping cart, pick up some mushroom and some more asparagus. For women diagnosed with cancer, mushrooms may possibly slow cancerous cells from metastasizing or spreading throughout the body. One research group assessed the effect of mushroom extract on the highly invasive and metastatic human breast cancer cells. And they found that the mushroom inhibited not only the proliferation, but also the colony formation in the highly invasive human breast cancer cells. So mushrooms are abundant in protein, fiber, vitamin D, vitamin B, and the list goes on. So I would love to see further investigation that could expand upon this study by exploring other foods that are abundant in similar properties with the anti-cancer activity. Not only looking again at asparagus, can asparagus be beneficial in women's reproductive health, but it also can help with preventing breast cancer potentially. One research group evaluated the anti-cancer activity of the roots of asparagus, and they looked at it in vitro with human assays as well as within mice. And they concluded that the asparagus correlated with a significant anti-cancer activity, both in the human assays and within the mice models. Brain health. Did you know that over 60% of Americans with Alzheimer's disease are women? Alzheimer's disease can develop as women age. However, it's not a normal part of aging. There is not a cure for Alzheimer's disease just yet, but there are surgical treatments that remove the brain amyloid plaques that are hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease. Even with such treatments, though, women with Alzheimer's disease may still experience a decline in cognitive skill, which can severely impact their daily lives. Grab your cardigan and this time pick up some blueberries and cinnamons. A common symptom of Alzheimer's disease is learning and memory challenges. One research group investigated the possible mechanisms involved in improving of learning as well as memory capacity using blueberry extracts within Alzheimer's disease mice models. And the learning and memory capacity of the mice were assessed through a maze test. So they found that these mice that had Alzheimer's disease exhibited better learning and memory performances after receiving the blueberry treatment. So this could be a beneficial improvement for learning and memory symptoms for those dealing with Alzheimer's disease. What about cinnamon? Well, one group evaluated the compounds indigenous to cinnamon extracts, then their effect on tau aggregations and filament formations. And these are basically the hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease. They're usually found in the brains of Alzheimer's disease patients. And they found that the cinnamon extract to inhibit the tau aggregation as well as the filament formation, making it beneficial to Alzheimer's disease. I would love to see an additional study that could expand upon these findings by evaluating and comparing the different varieties of maybe the cinnamons or even the blueberries to see their effectiveness in combating Alzheimer's disease. In conclusion, well, we have a full cart of groceries, but also the proposed idea of diet playing a preventative role in common diseases and health issues that women face as they age is not too far reaching, given the breadth of the optimistic studies that have been conducted on the subject matter. A critical next step in this process would be to advance the current studies that we talked about, those that took place in vitro, in human assays, within mice models, and transitioning them to clinical trials with a representative demographic of women. This would allow researchers to evaluate and clinically test the safety of their preventative diet treatments. So now it's your turn. Take a photo and try doing your own research on other potential diet treatments that could help with these common ailments that women face as they age. Thank you. Any questions?